Oh, bloody weather. Yeah, I'll do. Come on, what the fuck? Yay, result. There we go. I suppose now I can talk. So today, pissing down with rain, bike is going in for full service MOT. By full service, I mean that she's going in for the headstock bearing. Yes, needs doing, so I'm having it done. Much as it pains me to say. Oh, also, reminder, kill Lewis! As I can imagine it's him who's kill switched me, and I couldn't get the fucking bike started for about 5 minutes. Asshat, don't fucking kill switch me again. Because if you fuck up my bike permanently, I will have to kill you. True story. Now, legit, came out this morning, bike was kill switched. I was like, oh, alright, twat. High beam was on, fucking kill switch had been done. So I was like, well, this is a bit unfunny. Tried turning it over and it wouldn't have it. So I was like, put the kill switch in the correct position, took it out of the correct position, put it into the correct position, nothing. It just wouldn't work. Didn't feel like it was engaging or disengaging anything. So I was like, fuck. Yeah, great. It's supposed to be going for MOT today. I didn't want to ring them and say, right, can you come and collect it? Jesus. Oh, fucking traffic. So, somebody kill switched me. I'm assuming it was Lewis, because Lewis texted me at 2 o'clock in the morning. Probably because he was stood outside the house fucking kill switching me. But, meh. Got the bike started eventually. Asshole. And now I'm off to put it in the garage for a few days. They're snowed under at the moment, so it's probably going to take them a while. But then, I should get it back in a few days and be cushy. Fucking hate this rain. Stupid shit. I also have to be very well behaved today because I'm getting a lift back with the girlfriend's dad, which means that he is following me. So I have to be behaved for 2 reasons. 1, so he can find where we're going, and 2, because he's watching. So is the girlfriend, consequently. For fuck's sake. Basically, in a comment to my brother, and Lewis, about my brother's overtaking, I said, this is a double topic. Woo! Okay. Basically, I said, oh well, never stay in traffic if you can avoid it. Always make progress. Because as vulnerable road users, the last thing you want to do is become the meat in a car sandwich. Examples of car not paying attention, rear end you rear end car, car doesn't move, you end up flat, or at least very badly hurt. Another example is where, and I'm sorry to be using Sestrian Vlogger again in this way, but it was a good example. Basically, he sat in traffic on the exit of a roundabout, which goes from 2 lanes into 1 eventually. Now, fuck. He was sat in the left-hand lane. Right-hand lane was completely clear. Now that for me would have been my opportunity to go. I would have gotten the fuck out of there at the earliest possible availability. However, I bring it up because basically, as people are coming out from the right, in the right-hand lane, they might look at the left, see that gap and go, oh fuck, a gap. Because as things started to tail back in the right-hand lane, they might look at the left and go, well, if I can fit in there, I won't have to try and get in later on. And they might dive into that spot. Now, unfortunately, for our Sestrian vlogger, he was occupying said spot, and he might end up receiving that car in his ass. Never a good thing to happen. So obviously, I will be having words with my brother regarding this matter, as he needs to make better progress. Yes. I mean, stationary traffic, all filtering is legal as long as you're safe about it. Balls. Big old bag of balls. I know. Fucking things. Cheers. Bike's hot. Shit. Fucking indicators. I keep forgetting my fucking indicators. I've become some untrained fucking lackey. My brother's better at remembering his indicators than I am. I don't get it. Ah, fuck it. No, recently, past couple of days, I've just been forgetting my indicators like fucking crazy. Could be to do with something on my mind, I don't know. I'll leave that in because that was quite funny. Getting schooled by a fucking van driver on me indicating. Special. I left it on. Where must I have fucking forgotten about that? Jesus Christ. I am a piss poor excuse for a rider, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, I will lecture you on your riding. But I am indeed a shit rider myself. We all make mistakes. I see I'm being quite clever today. I'm going to go into this garage, I'm going to hand it over, but I'm going to remember my mileage when I hand it over. Just in case. It's not that I don't trust them, I don't trust anybody. Well, that worked out quite nicely. Hello? Hello? Hello?